Hidayah with my group member Asnida, Noor, Rasheeqa and Anati. Today we want to present about Pepsico company. Okay, first of all, I will talk about the company description and the history of Pepsico. Pepsico is one of the world's leading food and beverage company that serve more than 200 countries and territories around the world, including Malaysia. This company headquartered in Purchase, New York, where they manufacture, marketing and distribute snack, beverage and other products around the world. Pepsi-Cola was first created by Caleb D. Bradham, a pharmacist in New Bern, North Carolina, around year 1866. It was the substitute product that compete with Coca-Cola. However, after World War I in 1918, the company fell hard time and bankrupt. In 1931, trademark and asset of the company was picked by Charles G. Gould, and brand new of PepsiCo was established by him. In 2009, the annual net revenue of company was raised to $43.3 billion and become the second largest food and beverage business in the world. Until now, PepsiCo has owned several brands, and among 22 of them, it was believed that it can generate more than $1 billion for each of revenues. Next, I will pass to Asnida for SWOT analysis.
Thank you, Hidayah. Hello everyone. Today I will explain about SWOT analysis of Pepsico. For the internal analysis, it consists of strength and weakness. Okay, the first strength of Pepsico is having a broad product mix. Pepsico sells nearly 100 different brands. This represents Pepsico's increasing ability to reach various markets and segments. The next strength is extensive global production and distribution network. Pepsico has a global presence in more than 200 countries, providing them with a very good distribution network. Okay, for weakness, firstly, Pepsico products are perceived as unhealthy. Most of the soft drink of the Pepsico is perceived as unhealthy. It also supported by a number of research. Next is ambassadors. Celebrities' endorsements are often useful to take a brand message to wider audience, but over depends on celebrities for endorsements is a huge risk. The ill performance of celebrities might damage the brand image. Okay, for the external analysis, it consists of opportunity and threats. The first opportunity is health product diversity. Pepsico can easily work on alternatives to make the health-conscious crowd happy. For example, replace sugar with stevia. And they also have a Diet Pepsi, which is Pepsi Zero. Next is diversification. This is selling a new products into new market. Pepsico also can diversify its business by acquiring a complementary firms that is not in the food and beverage industry. First threat is aggressive competition. Pepsico operations are around the world. Because of this, Pepsico face number of competitors such as Coca-Cola, Nestle, and Kraft Foods. Next is healthy lifestyle trend. More people are becoming aware of the health implication of soft drink. This will impact negatively on the Pepsico sales.
Hello, hi, I am Rasheeqa and I will explain about company strategy of Pepsico. Company strategy of Pepsico divided into two groups, which are company strategy and business strategy. Under corporate strategy, there are three subtopics that they implement to achieve the good performance. For vision statement is a company's goal that we want to achieve. For PepsiCo's vision statement is to deliver top-tier financial performance over the long term by integrating sustainability into business strategy, leaving a positive imprint on society and the environment. Secondly, for the mission statement is activities that will support our vision in order to gain our goals in companies. For PepsiCo's missions is to provide affordable, convenient and complementary food and beverages. This mission statement highlights PepsiCo's desire to satisfy customers as well as investing in people, company and communities, where they wanted to help the company for long-term sustainability growth in order to get Next, we will jump into business strategy. Business strategy, there are three main points that they implement to use in this business strategy. First, achieving growth through merge and acquisition, M&A. M&A can provide benefit or gaining in access to skill and infrastructure, reducing direct and achieve costs and achieving organization growth. As a result, that they applied achieving growth through merge and acquisition, there have 22 brands under them now. Secondly, forming strategic alliance in global scale. In particular, strategic partnerships were found in China to claim share in China's growing beverage market, as well as they established a joint venture with India to enhance drinking waters production capabilities, as well as initiate strategic partnership in Saudi Arabia. PepsiCo also formed important strategic alliance on home market, such as their invest in Starbucks by performing a strategic alliance strategy. PepsiCo was able to claim its share from the growing market segment for drinks. Lastly, innovation in marketing initiative. PepsiCo do a wide range of innovative marketing initiatives, including do as a flavor campaign that involve consumer in 17 countries submitting flavor idea to give their opinion about the new flavor that they should make to satisfy their customer needs. They also use the celebrities endorsement by attracting popular singers such as Beyonce, Knowles. They also do a tagline according to the cross-culture differences, such as in Middle East, they use Yalla Now instead of Live for Now. That's all for me, and I will pass to my friends.
Hello, my name is Noor Anati, and I will explain about the human resource strategy. Human resource strategy of PepsiCo consists of three, which is recruitment and selection, training process, and also package. For recruitment and selection, PepsiCo uses both external and also internal recruitment. Internal recruitment will be their priority if the employee has the capabilities and requires by the management for that position. Furthermore, any employee can refer any competent and potential person, and if the person comes up to their expectations and hired, then the one who referred is rewarded with a bonus, such as a payment for them. Meanwhile, in external recruitment, PepsiCo usually prefers advertising through newspapers and also their official website for their recruitment purposes. Everyone has chances to apply the vacancies. If they are capable enough and fulfill all the qualifications, they will be hired. They do not prefer any specific colleges or universities to get the applicants. What matters for them are the potential, talent, and caliber of the person, and also his commitment to the work. Okay, moving to the next point, which is training process. PepsiCo has trained and developed many of its supervisors, senior, and also fast-track managers. The organization have a complete training each year for the lower and also technical staff. PepsiCo offers formal training opportunities either internally or externally to their employees. For instance, a trainer and subject matter expert are brought into the organization to provide the training session, or an employee are sent to one of these learning opportunities in the form of classroom training courses, seminars, and workshops during work time. Moving on to the last point of HR strategy, which is the package. PepsiCo gives various types of package to their employees. Firstly, the employee's performance is evaluated and will be given promotion if the performance are good. PepsiCo also promotes only for those candidates who are experienced and eligible for that particular vacancy. Next, the company also will give increments to enrich their employees' life according to the company financial condition. PepsiCo also provides free transport for employees and medical facilities to them depending their position. Besides that, PepsiCo also gives the facility of house loan to deserving individuals. The loan approval depends on the post place of the employees. Lastly, those workers who are working more than their working hours, they will get overtime payment. Okay, now I will give the example of jobs in that company that related to our course. Firstly, is analytical chemistry technician, and then associate scientist discovery and application, associate scientist R&D analytical sciences, global snacks R&D food scientist, R&D principal scientist of flavor technology. Okay, for my part, I will explain about the analytical chemistry technician. For the job description, this job position is based within PepsiCo's Research and Development Measurement Sciences team. These roles' responsibilities include conducting chemical and physical lab analysis to determine the properties and composition of ingredients, production intermediates, and finished products for food and beverage in supporting research and development projects. Okay, for the job specification to apply analytical chemistry technician, then they need to have bachelor or associate degree in a scientific field such as chemistry, food science, biology, or any related with laboratory experience of 1 to 4 years. They need to be capable of learning and applying various analytical techniques. They also need to experience in and working knowledge of common software. Okay, they also need to experience in and working knowledge of common software. They need to have good oral and written communication skills. And lastly, they can be comfortable in bringing new ideas to the team or the organization to ensure that the organization growth increase.
Okay, next we will move to R&D food scientists. R&D and food scientists develop product formulation that leverage expertise in food chemistry and food ingredient functionality. Besides, they also investigate and apply new technology to provide a competitive advantage. They also provide technical risk assessment that relate to the new product. For job specification, R&D food scientists must have degree in food, science and related. They also must be familiarity with data science and also have strong communication skills. Okay, another job that relate to our course that Pepsico offer us is Principal Scientist Flavor Technology. This job is related to deep knowledge in all aspects of flavors and flavors application for different beverage that need to produced by Pepsico. It demonstrates strong technical skills, especially in creating the flavors. In order to apply this job, applicant must have degree or master in chemistry, food science or related, with minimum 5 years experience working with ingredient and creating flavor industry. They also must have collaboration and teamwork mindset.
Next is Associate Scientist and R&D Analytical Science, Global Snacks. The job description are document management of a new and existing PepsiCo methods, scopes new analytical technology, fortnight innovation, analyze and interpret data and clear document and communicate the results. The job specifications are have strong analytical and problem-solving skills, strong skills in PowerPoint and Excel, and last excellence, teamwork, communication, and leadership.
Okay, lastly, for the job description and specification, my job is for the Associate Scientist Discovery and Applications. For job description for this job, responsible for project design, experiment and execute research activity with a team member and scientists, ensuring properly document data-driven experiment. Also, we'll work with vendors and external innovation collaboration team to evaluate new ingredients and technologies to support business methods. For the job specification, for this job, they need the requirement to have the bachelor's in food science or related scientific field with minimum 2 years and ability to flawlessly execute bench work and convince in lab environment. Lastly, ability to proactively and positively in facts. That's all from us. Thank you for your time.